question. Why is there no air in outer space? How do you know there's no air in outer space? How do you know there's no air? Hey, maybe it's another question we can figure out and one if there isn't. Okay, so now I want you to look at all of your different questions that you have about air. And I want you to write a one by the one that you really want to find out. So you're going to look at your questions that you wrote, and you're going to, and if you don't have any that you're not wondering about, there's some on the board that you can choose as well. So you can choose one from the board. But I want you to choose the question that you really want to know. But if you have more than one question that you want to know about, I'll give you more paper to write in, because I'm passing out paper right now that I want you to write these questions down on. Does anybody have more than one question? Come around with more. So everyone should be writing their question down on their piece of paper. Yeah. One question you have about what is on here. Give me. Yeah. Any way you want. You can write it any way you want it. So we're writing our question down about air. So the card that I passed out looks like a square. I want you to write your name on the top so I know who's asking this question. And maybe throughout this unit we'll answer your question. And when we go through different experiments and we learn and we read books, maybe one of your questions will be solved and we can put into what we learned in the back. Okay? So I want you to put your name and then write down your question. And if you have more than one, just let me know. I'll give you another card. Okay? And after we're done, and when we're done, we're going to share with the class so that everyone knows our questions, and then maybe they can help us solve the question as well. Anywhere. And I'm going to give you a sticky note because I ran out of cards, okay? I'm going to give you a few minutes to write your questions down.
Don't forget
and then we're going to, sorry, go ahead.
Question marks are always at the end of questions.
Oh, that's true. Question marks are always after a question. You're asking a question to someone, so we're going to write a question mark. Good job. Can you get a what? I'm sorry. No, I need yellow. Do you want one? We're going to only do yellow or orange. Or I don't know yellow. Okay. Thumbs up if you're done writing your question. Okay, I'm gonna give you a few more minutes.